So today we are going to do this. So observe me first, and
Yeah.
then if you have round, you take your round sheet. If you have a square canvas, you take a square. So the colors we need is red and white, and this is the pattern we're going to do. So first, let's start like this. So what you do, you take the ruler. You take the ruler. How many leaves you saw there? How many leaves were there in that picture? Eight leaves, right?
Eight.
Eight, eight
Yeah.
leaves. So simple. uh, आप नीना जी आप पहले एक बड़ा सा सर्कल बनाइए कंपास से.
Okay.
And Varsha, I think you already have round, so get a center point of your circle and make
Okay.
divide into 1, 2, 3, and 4 first. Yeah,
But I have a small ruler.
that's okay. That's okay. Or you take a any like a uh, any notebook or
but
anything.
I have this one.
That's fine. That's fine. See, we need is first you have to divide 1, 2, and then diagonal.
Okay.
So basically, we have a plan that we are going to have leaves. You don't do any pattern, just a rough idea that each leaf will come in this 8 sections. Correct?
Okay.
Dot
Uh,
mandala, abstract dot mandala, you don't need any particular this thing, but a regular dot mandala, there got to be a proper pattern or a plan, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 leaves, right?
okay. So the round circle, like what is the measurement or something for that, Rupa? Uh,
Uh, you have to see what is the dimension of it and get a center point, and from there you make divide the circle. Simple.
oh,
Varsha, if it is round, it's even easier. So get the dimension, diameter, get the
okay.
diameter, get the center point, and then just
Oh,
divide. Start dividing into like this sections in the
oh, okay.
pies.
Okay.
है ना?
Okay.
Pies. And once you're done that, after that, you also got like approximately or even measure it if possible. Then in between
Yeah.
two dots you make and then divide into so many pies. Divide into so many pies. And make it lighter. Not don't draw it very thick. Otherwise, you'll need time to rub it off, and make it light lines just for our guidance. Okay. Now, once you're done this, you keep your black painted sheet aside. Get a normal paper, A3 paper, rough paper. This is a rough paper. Okay. So we will practice how to make nice dots. Have you been practicing already? The petals? Petals practice ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ? Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide this paper into two. This is the rough paper, yeah? And we'll practice loads of petals because that is one of the unique pattern for dot art, right? So just have this lines like this. Okay. Take any color of your choice. Take any color of your choice. And once you get the hang of the petal, then that's the game starts. Take any color. I'm going to take orange because it is already open. And I'm going to either you take straight away this. I'm going to use the thicker one first. Can you see? This is slightly thicker and this is thinner. So with the thicker one, I'm going to start. Observe this, it's very, very important. And once you get a real good hang of how to make petals, then you're all set. So start from the top like this, start from the top like this, and then dip it again. One more dot, slightly bigger one on the top, and then go tuck, 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 tuck. So reduce the pressure as you go down. Once you reduce the pressure, if you see, the sizes are reducing and they look very beautiful. Okay. Now I'll go on the other side. So pressure is very, very important in dot art. Little bit here and there is perfectly fine. I mean, so now let's start. I'm going to do two petals now. One, one, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now start from one more double petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this, I want you to fill up the entire page with so many petals. First start with single petal, then double, then triple. This is rough work, but very important. We must learn how to make good petals. And do one petal and show it to me, and then let's see how it goes. And pressure, so as you go down, reduce the pressure. Slow ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ automatically ಒಳ್ಳೆ petal ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Tomorrow I'm off to Delhi for a conference,
Oh,
spiritual retreat and conference, healing retreat.
nice.
And every art piece you do, you share in your Facebook, you share in your Insta, you share in your status. This is another thing. This is you have to do. Okay. Especially Varsha, you're an aspiring future art teacher, so must do. Yesterday,
Which one should I take? Bigger one? Smaller one?
sorry, the canvas, another one I completed. 5 minutes,
Wow.
5, 7 minutes max.
The dot has to be bigger one or smaller one?
It's up to you, but the first understand the concept, Nina. First one is bigger, and then you go slow. The pressure I'm reducing. So
Okay,
the
yeah.
moment I reduce the pressure, they become smaller and smaller. So like that, I want one petal, two. This is petal pattern, yeah. Two petals, and then three. So fill up the entire page. Practice. This is a practice session. So before the main match, practice.
Yeah.
In fact, I was watching a video where Virat Kohli says, before the actual match, 3 months already before that, he's already visualizing in his mind how the ball is coming and how he's going to catch and how he's going to bat and from which angle he's going to catch, and all that is visualizing, and that's exactly what is happening apparently in the field. So it's the power of the mind.
Rupa, is it something?
Sorry, what happened? Sorry, say that
The petal.
one second.
No, the petals, is this fine?
Show me closer. I'll just pin you. Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're nearly there. It'll come from practice. Nearly there.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. See what? Observe me again, Varsha. Do one thing. Do just one side first, huh? So
Huh.
start from the top like this. Okay. Then dip it
Okay.
again and go from your left. You are a right handy, right? So
Huh.
and then reduce the pressure, reduce the pressure, reduce the pressure, reduce the pressure. Just one side you do first.
Yeah, it is done.
Now show me. Perfect, perfect. Good. Very nice. So practice left side first,
Okay.
times, 5, 10 times, and then just right side 5, 10 times and together.
See this one?
Let me pin you, pin you, pin you, pin you. Yeah,
It has become very small, no?
it's good. Nina, your petals are coming out well. Especially the top one, it's coming out good. Practice the entire sheet, just fill it. So better is I think you also do like left side first and then right side and then together. Yeah. Fill up the entire page. After this, you get your white and red color. Left side you practice 5 to 10 times and then right side, then you'll get a hang of it.
Rupa, is this okay?
Let me check. Okay, much better, much better.
Okay.
That's nice. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈಗ. अलिना लीना तुझ्याकडे डॉट आर्टचे टूल्स वगैरे आहेत का?
हो हो
आहे ना? हां, ॲक्रिलिक कलर्स पण आहे.
हो हो
तर आम्ही पेटल्सची प्रॅक्टिस करतोय. तर असं तू राईट हँडी आहेस ना?
हा हा राईट
So you start with this dot and then go down, 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 down असं. आधी left side असे petals करायचे 5 to 10 times and then right side 5 to 10 times and together.
ओके
मग this is the one petal, then 2 petals, then 3 petals. You start from here and then go down, 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 and then from here, and then from here. So one more petal like that. This is called petal pattern, and very, very nice. This will give a overall grand this thing for the dot art. So ह्याची आधी practice करूया आपण, and
ओके
then
ओके
and you got a round or a square this thing, Lina?
व्हॉट
For the
आय गॉट अ राऊंड वन
you got a round one, no? You practice the petals, and I'll tell you what to do.
ओके
Once you're done with the practice fill up the entire paper, After that, I want you all to do one petal like this on a rough paper first. Use one color, doesn't matter. But this is going to be your final pattern, right? For now, use only one color. So center में एक बड़ा सा circle है, and then two layers of petals we have. Yeah, and the white also, actually 3 layers of petals. So I want you to do it on a rough paper first. Practice. You know, use only one color, but go to do the practice first, and then we'll start on our main this thing. Will be the first one to show the rough work of 4 petals. Three petals है यहाँ पर, सेंटर में एक डॉट है सिर्फ. आराम से करना है. Don't smudge your hand and your face. फेस पे सब. ये आज तो पूरा हमने डॉटिंग किया, डॉट आर्ट पे तो बिजी थे. And I pin you to see you. Awesome. Very nice, Tina. Very nice. So now you go ahead. Show me your black canvas. Show me what is the size. Okay. तो आप क्या कीजिए? You draw a cross line. फिर then you'll get a center point. Diagonally draw करेंगे, है ना? Diagonal x draw करेंगे तो you'll get a center point. वहाँ से फिर त्रिज्य लेके एक round बनाइए.
Yeah, I've done the round.
You're done the round, right? Okay. Then once you're done the round, so first you start with the center. Center में use, if you observe the painting, it has the biggest dot ever, है ना? Center का अगर observe करते हैं, so this has the biggest dot, है ना? So use the biggest dot art tool. Use this, and then take red color. Color planning, you also already get your mixing dish, and you need red and white, only two colors for today. Correct? So start from the center में सबसे बड़ा dot बनाइए. वो dot होने के बाद use this size. I think this is the 1, 2, 3, fifth वाला.
Fifth one.
वन है, उससे भी छोटा यूज कर सकते हैं. उससे भी छोटा. How many you have? Basically, see these flat ones, right? Flat ones. Yeah. Mine is, I think, what color it is? Purple. So use the fifth one, and you make the white dots. Sorry. So make surrounding the red dot, big red dot, make the white dots. And spacing अच्छा छोड़ना चाहिए. See, like what you ideally, this is how you do. Start from this corner to this corner. So I'll tell you the rough, I'll show you. Nina, observe this. So ऐसे जब करते हैं ना,
See.
say I'm using this one, okay?
Acha, the thicker one.
This is, हाँ, this is my एक red बनाया यहाँ पर. तो उसके बाद जब करना है, so use those lines which we drew for the guidance.
Okay, okay.
And then symmetry. Symmetry is very important. Unless it's an abstract dot art, you can have anywhere. But otherwise, symmetry is also important. So from now on, don't lift the canvas.
Yeah.
If
Okay.
at all you have to show me something, you have to take a photo and send it to me on the WhatsApp.
Yes.
Don't lift because paint सब smudge हो जाएगा.
रूपा मला परत एकदा दाखव ना ते काय बनवलं पॅटल ते सुरुवातीचं.
हाँ हाँ. हे बघ. काय करायचं, एक थोडीशी थिक वाली हे घे तू, nib you take, and then so you start from the, if you are a right handy, start from the left. So you make a big dot first, and then you put another dot on the side, and then slowly pressure you have to reduce. If you reduce the pressure, automatically the sizes will become smaller.
ओके ओके ओके.
And then 5-10 of those on the left, and then you do 5-10 of those on the right.
Harish, phone.
After that, you do together.
ओके ओके गॉट इट.
Got it, na? And then you do 2 layers, 3 layers petal. ठीक है?
ओके ओके.
Yeah, Rupa, I've done like this.
1 second, person.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
ओके.
The petals. So the petals, it has to be 3 or 2 layers.
Depends. If you want to make 1, you make 1. If you want to make 5, you make 5. Go ahead and do as many as you wish. Show me.
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ also see yours is looking like oval. That's also fine, but look at just observe this. Observe this.
The oval.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಲೇಬಾರದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Okay.
ಓಕೆ.
Okay. So ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಒಂಚೂರು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಂಡಿಗೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಬಿಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಒಂಥರ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
ಈಗ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಯು ಆರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಫಾರ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೇನ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ರೆಡ್, ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಥಿಕ್ಕೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಥಿಕ್ಕೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
This one, right?
Yes. So make the center big red dot.
Okay.
Center big red dot, and after that little bit space, and evenly you use the fifth one and make white dots.
Fifth one, is it this one?
The last one I have it. See, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದಾವೆ, ನಿಮ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಈ ತರ flat tools na, I have 5 of those. Whatever, basically the idea you saw, right? White ಇದು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ, small.
ಹೌದು.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, like that.
Okay. ಅದೇ.
If you don't have also, you can do it with wearing the pressure.
Okay.
So get the concept and the idea, and always, like any building or any course or anything, the planning is important. Once you have already the painting in your mind, then it becomes very easy. Lena, can you show me how many petals you made?
येस येस. फोटो काढून पाठवू का तुला?
Ah, photo काढून पाठव. And once you start on your main canvas, right? Don't lift the painting because
Yes.
it will start smudging. So if
हाँ.
at all you have any doubts, questions, want to show something, then I want you to take a photo and send it to me.
Rupa, can you just show the picture once again?
Sure, sure. Start always painting, start from the center and go outside, or from bottom to top, like that, from one corner to the other. Don't mix. So in the center, very big dot, and then it is surrounded by white dots, the small ones. You can use even the idu also, metal tip also.
Mm-hmm.
The whole idea is they are varying in sizes. That is the beauty of dot art. If you vary the size and the shape, that gives the nice effect. And this is a rough idea. And if you want to vary a bit and use your own creativity, that's also fine. But I'll be sharing one subject basically, and then we work in that area. Okay. आराम आराम से करना है, एंजॉय करके करना है. And How is the feeling now? You are doing right on the like canvas pen, huh? All along it was on the paper, now on the canvas. have to make it lighter to observe the painting, right? So you have to take red and then red लेना है, उसमें थोड़ा सा लाइट पिंक है पहले वाला तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही उसमें वाइट मिक्स करना है ताकि लाइट पिंक मिले, उसके बाद थोड़ा सा डार्क पिंक, उसके बाद और थोड़ा ऐसे शेड्स आने चाहिए, देन इट लुक्स वेरी प्रिटी, राइट? How are you? No, 1 second. Class is going on. Okay. Yeah, I'm so happy to share. My son just completed Rupin Pass trek in Himachal.
Oh, wow.
Oh, nice.
Congratulations.
Is I think 15,000, more than that, 15,000 feet altitude. And
But,
thank you. So this also a solo trek. I said go.
Oh,
Like Mama, he's been trekking ever since. I mean, we were in Switzerland, everywhere mountains only, right? So,
uh,
but this is like a solo and also on a high altitude. So yes, he just called me. They completed the summit and he's back in the base. So yeah. One thing I advise everyone is get into this habit of going in the nature. You, your family, everyone start from a young age.
yeah, that's correct.
How's it going, girls?
रूपा माझं बघितलंस?
नाही बघितले. तू मला पर्सनल फोटो पाठवलेस का?
हो हो हो.
एक सेकंड ना, मी बघते. Me and my son, na, when he was a kid, we used to sit and do art for hours. So many things we used to.
No, actually, myself and my daughter, we have started doing that.
Yeah, and introduce them. In fact, it's a very, emotional one moment was there where I decided I want to sell my paintings, and all the proceed goes to there's organization for blind teenage girls.
Okay.
Then when I was discussing this with my son, he's like, "Okay, Mama, I'll also paint." And then he and me we together we did. छान झालेली ना तुझं. Continue. Nice.
Okay.
I think altogether I got some 800 francs and I put mine also, and then 1,000 francs हमने उसको charity में दिया था.
How is this, ma'am? Mine, I sent in your personal account.
You sent me personal? Okay.
But I don't know, the circles are not coming. That
It takes time. Practice.
Yeah, I
और
know the
आपने color combination, this is what you want, then it's fine. It's
No, I just did it like
That's good.
randomly.
No,
Yeah.
it's looking nice.
I
It's
was
looking
thinking,
nice.
and I didn't. I didn't see your things that I forgot everything.
Perfectly fine. Because we just have now, Nina, you got to have space to make the 8 petals.
Okay.
Now
Now
you
I'll
stop
stop.
here. You stop this, and see
Started.
another idea I'll share next time. Na, what you can do is take the compass and make the circles.
Okay, sides.
अभी अभी आपने यहाँ पे जो बनाया ना, डॉट्स बनाया ना,
Yeah.
तो आप सर्कल्स बनाइए और तो जितना हो सके उस पे प्लेस कर सकते हैं फिर,
Okay.
है ना?
Okay.
But this looking nice for the first dot art on a proper canvas. Good.
It is really first time I've done.
Yeah. It's
I've used brush, but never this dot.
dot takes lot of time and lot of
Patience is
also.
required. And
Now
actually,
you
if you
make
have
one.
noticed, the round is not come proper.
They are good. They are good. Yeah, I
Tera
say
mera.
I am the best creator in the world. This is my
Yeah,
best
that.
art piece in the world. First say that. First say that. And make one petal slowly. Follow the pattern like this, or use your own creation and show me.
Okay, I wanted to ask you, petal means like flower petal from down, I'll take it round. No, from down, I'll take point, and up, I'll take round.
See what they have done. Started
Not
from the outs from the top.
Yeah, that's it.
टॉप से लेके फिर नीचे आ जाना है ऐसे पेटल.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, it is red color, na? I forgot.
No problem, no problem.
It's okay.
This is just a rough guideline, but at least I need 8 petals and the space if you.
8 petals. Okay, okay. I'll have to mark that first. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, Pasha, show me.
Yeah, actually, I have left the spaces. The first center part is okay. The rest part is
It looks good. It looks good.
uh, uh,
First,
Don't keep it for a long time. It will smudge. See, it is coming down.
for the first dot art, it's good, Varsha.
okay.
ವೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಒನ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಒನ್
ಹಾ ಹೌದು ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರಕ್ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದೇ ಹೌದು
ಡೋಂಟ್
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಮೆಜ್ ಅದೇ ಒಂಚೂರು ಆಯ್ತು.
ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೇಕ್ ರೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಾಕು ಈಗ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ ನಾವು and start from making one petal and show me. ಅದನ್ನ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದು ಕಳಿಸಿ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ.
ಅದೇ ಹೌದು
ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಕ್
ಹೌದು ಬರಕ್ಕದ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದಾಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಪೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಎನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು 2 ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ ಎನಿ
ಐಡಿಯಲಿ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 2. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಸೆಂಟರ್ there is a dot.
ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಒಂದು ಓಕೆ 1.
See how much space you have. Not make it too crowded, but at the same time and 2 shade minimum 2 colors 2 shades ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂಥರ ಚಂದ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. Okay. ಮತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ದಮ್ ಫೋಕಸ್, ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. And Varsha, you can get a T-shirt for your daughter and let her do dot art or some any art on the T-shirt. That's a very nice idea
actually. ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ತಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅದೇ ಅನ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ
ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅದು ಸ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಸ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್.
Yeah. I have purchased quite a lot and I'm going to use it as a return gift for my friends.
Yeah, it is good idea actually.
Good idea. See, like that, see, you will get anything and everything in the world in the market. But then anything I was also searching for phone idu cover canvas. ಅದು ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನನಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇದೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
Okay.
And if you're into reading, then bookmarkers you can create.
ಹೌದು.
And a lot of people then what they do, they take corporate orders. So many, there is a lady like, but also see, do you want that pressure? Because if you take say 500 mugs the corporate order ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ it's a good idu, but do you want that pressure is up to you. Of course everything has to be fun. That is also possible. So And keychains ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. There's so many things you can do, literally. ಇದನ್ನ nice nameplate you can do. This is for all of you. So I also little bit not exactly where to invest, how to invest, but I'll give a rough idea. And I do a course on that because my main mission is women empowerment. I want each and every woman to have that financial freedom and also that that power and that satisfaction ki, yes, I'm earning. This is, I call it money manifestation. ये मेरा money manifestation course होता है. And some of my students, their thought process has changed about money after completing my course. And then now some are, definitely start earning on the something or the other on it. There are so many options. I'll also share what are the various multiple options where you can, sitting from the comfort of your home, you can make money. Me being a full-time working mother, then we had two loans, एक flat का loan, एक site लिया था उसका loan था, and I had I was not even thinking of quitting my job. इतनी luxury नहीं थी. My baby was just 2.5 months old, and I said no, कुछ तो कुछ करेंगे, but नानी को रखेंगे, ये करेंगे, लेकिन job नहीं छोड़ सकते. Now, that was that priority then. But if you happen to take a break, you definitely can manage your home, your kid, and earn from home.
Eight petals are come in mine.
Eight are coming, no? Very good, very good.
I've done this now.
Nina, if you completed one petal, just take a photo and share it to me.
Okay.
Yeah, and the same with Varsha and Lena.
Yeah.
Yeah.
रुपा मी दुसरं पेज स्टार्ट केलं कारण मला थोडस मी परफेक्ट नाही असं वाटायला लागलं.
Bar, no problem, no problem. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ವರ್ಷ. Good, good, good. First few petals.
ಹಾ ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಲರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ದಿಷ್ಟ,
ಹಾ.
ನಿಮ್ದಿಷ್ಟ. ಸಿ ರಫ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಜನರಲ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು. ದೆನ್
ಹಾ ಹಾ
ಚೇಂಜ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೈ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅಂಡ್ ರಾಧಾ, ರೈಟ್?
ಹಾ ಹಾ ಯಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
Very, very, very personal. What you like, what I like, what Nina likes, what Lena likes. So it's perfectly fine. Complete ಮಾಡಿ and let it completely dry.
ಹಾ ಯಾ
And ಎಲ್ಲರೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಗೆ you put your name and date, and then take a eraser and rub all the lines.
ಹಾ ಹಾ
Let it dry. One at least one few ನಾಳೆವರೆಗೂ ಏನು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. And if you are up for it, ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಡ್ರೈ ಆದಮೇಲೆ what you can do ವರ್ಷ,
ಹಾ
ರೆಡ್ ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪುಟ್ಟದು ವೈಟ್ ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ಹೈಲೈಟ್
ಹಾ
ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು.
ವೈಟ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಹಾ ಅದು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅದೇ.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಿ.
ಹಾ ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಫ್ಲೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ.
ಹಾ
ಸೊ ಫ್ಲೂಟ್ ಮಂಡಲ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಮಾಡಿ 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 ಮಾಡಿ.
I have sent one. See,
Yeah.
it is round. It has become round, no? It has not become petal. Little mistake it is.
Good. For a beginner, it's good. So now I think you have enough space for the petals. Start off with the petals now.
Yeah.
Okay?
I have done one petal. See,
No, I didn't get that picture, Nina.
now you didn't.
Uh-huh.
Okay, it is just come now. See, this one.
Now I got it. It's become slightly bigger. That's all right. But it's overall, it's come out well.
No, but the corner is not come proper, no? It is not looking like a petal.
On see, each flower has a different shape and size in the universe. So this is your flower, your creation. That's all right. That's all right. Now the challenge, can you see, you don't have the same space for the next petal. You will not have. तो क्या करेंगे अभी आप? उसका जो diagonally opposite है ना, वो और ये matching कीजिए.
Okay, okay, yeah.
All the four you do matching and बीच वाले को छोटे बनाइए.
Okay.
है ना?
Yeah.
This नहीं है. There is no.
ಹೇಳ್ದ್ಯಾ?
Or I can do it alternate.
That's what I'm saying. Alternate you do.
Yeah.
So alternate you do big petals and बीच वाले में छोटा करना है फिर.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, Rupa.
Hmm.
I'm just holding it like this.
Show me. Arre वाह. See everyone, clap for Varsha. Very nice, very nice. Super. Very nice.
Nice.
ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೆಂಟರ್ದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು, ಅದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದಾಗೋಯ್ತು.
Practice makes perfect. Also, see, it is your creation. First thing is, I'm so proud of myself. My best creation. Hi, baby. Matching with mama, huh? Hi.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಬಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ, ಸೊ
ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಔಟ್ಫಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್
ಹೌದು, ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಅವಳದು ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅದೇ ಕಲರ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್. ಏನಂತೀರಾ, ಒಂಥರ ಕ್ರೀಮಿಶ್ ಕಲರ್. ಮೆಹಂದಿ ತೋರ್ಸು.
Oh, wow.
Is it allowed in school?
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಹರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೇರಿಂಗ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಳು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನ್ ಕಸಿನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು.
Very nice, Mehendi. Very nice.
ಸೊ ಟೀಚರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಂತೆ. ಅವ್ಳ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲೌಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ಅವ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ
very nice. So Varsha, let it dry and then today's date and signature, and on the red, if you're first, you take the photo and share it everywhere, including all groups and in your status, in your social media, number one. And once it dries up, if you're up for it, small highlights, white highlights. Yeah? Very nice. Very nice. Hi, baby. What's your favorite color?
ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ನಿಂದು, ಹೇಳು ಜೋರಾಗಿ.
Yellow. Wow, yellow, dirty fellow.
ಎಲ್ಲೋನೇ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೀಕ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಇವಳದಿನ್ನು LKG ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟಿಲ್ UKG ತನಕ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೀಕ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಎ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ದೇ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಾಟ್ ಮಂಡಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳ್ಸೋಣ ಅಂತ
ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್.
ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ರೀಡೂ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಗುಡ್.
ಸೊ ನಾಳೆ ಅದೇ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್, ರೈನ್ಬೋ ವೀಕ್.
Rainbow. So nice. But Nina, you got to next time little bit plan about the spacing. You know, but it's okay. Everything is your creation, and we can always adjust little bit here and there.
रुपा
बोलो.
मी फोटो पाठवते बघ आता कसं तुला वाटतं. हा जे मी
हाँ.
पॅटर्न्स
Lina. कुठं पाठवलेस का?
थांब पाठवते पण. पाठवलं.
मस्त लागले तुला आता. छान झालेत पेटल्स.
Okay.
Good. Start off with your painting now.
Okay.
This is the rough idea. Now, what changes you want to make, up to you.
Okay.
So this is the overall plan, and the color. This is also just a rough idea. If you want completely change your color and your own thought process and creation, that's also fine. Just get this thing in the picture already in your mind. So we need 8 petals, and then the dots are like there's a big dot, and then they're going in a different this thing changing in the shape and the sizes.
Means we have to just one big dot, then circle it with another dots, and then again another circle with another dots. Like that we have to continue.
Correct. And spacing का ध्यान रखना. See, compass घेऊन तू circles घाल already.
Okay. हाँ, ठीक है.
And then the diagonal lines also, though then you will be able to space exactly on that dot.
Okay. Means that first wala circle, then the petals will come.
Correct. So you see what you do now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ऐसे
5 circles.
अलग circles बना.
Okay.
And then you place those dots on the circles.
Okay. ठीक
ठीक है?
Okay.
Hello everyone, welcome again. All right. तो लीना तुझं कितपर्यंत आलाय?
हो मी सर्कल करते. एकच मी हे केलेलं आहे.
No problem, no problem. ते complete कर. Parsha is almost she has done now. She has to wait till it dries up and do the final, like it's optional to do the dots on the, just to give a highlight. And Nina, you have to do 4 big and 4 small petals. है ना? 4 big and 4 small petals. Okay. Now after this, the whole week, little bit practice the petals.
Okay.
Practice petals, and the pressure, when you do dotting with a different pressure, how the shape changes, है ना? Shape and size change होता है. तो थोड़ा सा पूरा वीक जब भी मौका मिलता है, टाइम मिलता है, practice the petals.
Okay.
This is one of the most common, most used, and it looks really beautiful with the leaves. Okay.
Oh. रुपा मला परत तो हे पिक्चर दाखव ना.
एक मिनिट मी दाखवते तुला. ओके. हा रफ आयडिया आहे, पण तुला ह्यात काय चेंज करायचं, इफ यू वॉन्ट मेक सम चेंजेस, प्लीज गो अहेड अँड डू. यूज युअर ओन इमॅजिनेशन, क्रिएशन. ठीक आहे.
ओके.
राईट. याचा फोटो काढून घेणार का?
हो काढला मी.
काढला ना? हो, गुड. Great then. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
More power
Tutor.
to you all. Heal self. And very soon, I also have this mission and vision for all of you. Ki you start teaching your friends, your family. Encourage everyone. Share every bit of creation of yours into your status, into your social media, everywhere, and motivate others. है ना? And also, if you're after few sessions, if you're up for it, start as a small 1 hour workshop, 2 hour workshop for ladies or for kids,
Mm.
and that is another source of income for you.
Yes.
पैसे तो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत सारे आ जाते हैं. Don't worry about money. It is the impact you're going to create in the world. Because so many kids are suffering from not having concentration because of the digital world.
Mm.
So you can write improves concentration in kids.
Mm.
And so many parents will send them. And don't do it every single day. Don't do that. Don't अपना भी relaxation के लिए खुद के relaxation के लिए करना है ना? So do one day, one maximum 2 days in a week, and then ladies, they are free in the afternoon. You can start your own classes. And ladies needs more calm mind than anybody in the family, है ना? लोग मेड का, इसका, उसका, सबका किचकिच हमारे दिमाग में ले लेते हैं. तो फर्स्ट हम लोग शांत हो जाएं, फिर and it's, WHO has written this thing that 30% of the 30 world population are suffering from loneliness. It is a pandemic now. So when you create this online platform, even if you have a space and time and energy, you do offline also, then we are meeting, people are talking at least virtually. Sahi. ठीक है? Good. So all the best and see you next week. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you.